Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the tyres and also the front wheels and also put them back on your Mario Kart Home Circuit. You're probably doing this because you have a build-up of hair and maybe it's not rolling properly forward because there's friction from the hair built up. This is Mario, the same will apply to Luigi as well. So basically, to remove the tyres, it's really simple to do if you just want to clean around the tyres themselves. You just kind of squeeze them and pull them off like so. The back tyres are thicker than the front tyres. So let's take all those off. Like so. So now you can give it a good clean here. You can even wash these, just make sure they're fully dry when you put them back on. Now if you have a look, we have a groove here and also here and here. That is where the edge of the tyre sits. So there's no real skill, it just takes a little bit of time. Just pop them on like so and try to work them onto that groove. If you pinch them, it helps. You might hear it click as it goes in. So you can see now all the way around there has gone in nicely, but this side hasn't. So now we're just going to work on this side. Again, just using your thumb, moving it around and give them a good squeeze, and you can see it's gone on nicely like so. Let's just do one of the front ones. Same again, pop it on there like so. Pop it on further. Get it into the groove like that by just working it round. And there we go, that side's in. And now let's just do this side, give it a little squeeze. Try to get it in its place. And there we go, you can see that is now on and that's now on. Now, don't attempt to take the back wheels off, you're going to struggle. Remember, these are the ones that are driven, but these front ones are just freewheeling. So you can take the front wheels off to give them a nice good clean. But bear in mind, if you do this too many times, it's going to get to the stage where they will probably just fall off. But if you just need to do it once every 6 months or a year, then you'll probably get bored of the toy by the time you're going to let the wheels fall off. But anyway, what you do is you just grab them. That comes off there, and put this one off here. There. Took quite a bit of strength to get that off. And you can see they just held on a little friction fit. This is kind of like a file. Yeah. So if you do it too many times, that's going to wear down. Obviously, you can glue it back on. Now, when it comes to putting it back on, you don't have to glue it, but if they keep falling off, then you can look into glue or put a bit of sellotape around here to add extra friction. Don't just push them on. What happens when you push them on is this little spindle will go right the way in and they won't be on properly. So let me just get the tyres on these two and then I'll show you how to put them back on. When it comes to the back wheels, I would suggest just get some tweezers. I'll just show you that in a minute. So I would get some nice sharp tweezers and I would just keep picking it out. It's going to take a long time, but if you get in here and just keep picking it out, you should be able to get the hair out from here. So I personally wouldn't mess with the back wheels. It doesn't matter which way you put the tyres back on, it's not going to make a difference. Right, so watch this now. When we put them back on, you think that's it, but you probably think they're a little bit loose. And like that as well. Yeah, see how easy it comes off? And you think, oh no, I've broken it. Don't worry. All you have to do is, let me zoom in for this bit, get some little flathead screwdriver or something that you can pry in here. Yeah, and then you can put a bit of pressure on. And they'll be pushed in even more. Because right now, can you see it's not fully in? We have that much play. So if you get your flat screwdriver in there, now push them in, you can see now that we don't have any play, yeah? And that's on much tighter than it was before. So that's not going to fall off now unless you put it hard. Same goes for this side. You can see how much play there is. So I'm just going to get the screwdriver, put it in here, then I'm going to press in on it. And now you can see it's taken up, not quite. Let's do that again. There we go, it's taken up the slack. And now they're not going to come off. So there we go, that's how to take off the front wheels and the tyres on your Mario Kart Home Circuit. Hopefully now you'll find that it will be wheeling a lot easier, there'll be less friction and your kart will go a little bit faster and turn nicer. Thanks for watching.